Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing a smartwatch that my wife has bought it. The price mark for this smartwatch is $20. Yes, I'm talking about 20 Australian dollars. Seems to be pretty cheap, but we still don't know the quality of this smartwatch. So why not we just get started? Okay, it looks pretty. It's quite sturdy. The leather strap feels smooth, and the screen, I can feel it's glass. I think this is the charging port. And what else in the box? So it comes with the instructions, and it has another strap. I think this is a metal strap. Not bad for $20. And this is the charging cable. So it has a magnet. So the first instructions, we need to charge the watch before using it, and then download the app. It's called FitCloud Pro. Yep, it is touchscreen. Okay, it looks like the battery is low. Okay, the good thing is when you recharge the battery, the watch still working. Unlike my Fitbit, when you charge, is definitely you can't do anything. But with this one, it looks charging and you still can work on the watch. I have downloaded the applications, and now see how easy we can configure this application. Maybe not this time. The Bluetooth, yes. Now I don't want the apps to track. Join us or visit as a guest. Maybe visit as a guest. The option as a guest, you still have to put your informations. And the goal, how many steps in a day. I'll say leave it as the default. And looks like it's detecting pairing. I'll probably not this time, and enjoy. Okay, so this is the main menu of the apps. So we have a push notifications, and at the moment everything is off. For now I'll have everything off. And the second option is the alarm. So you can set an alarm system, and you can have the repeat, and you can label it, but I'm not gonna set this one for now. Cancel it, go back to the main menu, and we have the sedentary reminder, a reminder for you to sit up. So if you work in the office where you sit a lot, then you can turn this one on, and you can start from 8 o'clock in the morning to 8 o'clock at night. But since we usually work from 9 to 5, so we can set to 9 a.m. and we finish by 5 p.m. And the good thing is they have an option to not disturb during lunch break. So usually when you have a lunch break, you're sitting with friends, you're sitting with your colleague, so the smartwatch will not remind you to stand up. For now, I turn this one off because it's not for me, it's for my wife. Let her set up what she wants. And the drinking reminder, so this is quite handy when you're so busy, you can't you can't leave your chair, and sometimes you forgot to hydrate yourself. So this is a really good reminder. My daughter have a similar applications. You can watch the other video, the smartwatch for my daughter. It has a drinking reminder as well. So you can start from early in the morning when you wake up. Have a reminder to drink, to hydrate yourself, and you can also set an interval for how often you want to get reminded. So I'll set 2 hours for now. The watch face, the background of the watch looks like. That's the default from the factory. Let me choose this. I'll choose something else. Let me choose this one. And let me see. So it's downloading. And try to sync with the smartwatch. Okay, it looks like it's uploading. As you can see, the background now changed. We have another options for weather reports. So this is really handy. I'm going to allow one. This is very straightforward. You lift the smartwatch and you can see the time. And elevated heart rate measurement. Probably turn this one on as well. Automatic heart monitoring. Turn on. Find the bracelet. Okay, so if you ever lost your bracelet or you misplaced your smartwatch, you can always find it. And the wrist preference, probably choose the left hand. The time format, I leave it as 12 hours format instead of 24-hour format. Favorite contact, I think this is to add your contact. And I'm not sure what's this one for. Okay, I'll allow it for now. Okay, so this is handy. Nice. So maybe limited access for now. Okay, let me try one more time. Nice. And you can always restore to the factory setting. And the last thing is unbind the smartwatch. So I'm going to leave this for now. I'm going to uninstall these applications once my wife back from work, and I'll install the application on her phone. I've installed the application on my wife's mobile phone, and apparently it's running Android phone. It looks pretty much the same from the iOS. And now let me try to operate the smartwatch now. As you can see, the smartwatch have 2 buttons. The bottom one is to show your activity. So if you say you want to go for cycling, you press cycling and we'll have a countdown. Then you go for cycling, and if you finish, you just press same button again and press N. It says because it's too short, too little data to store. And if you press the top button, it'll give you another menu which has the telephone keypad. This is a phone keypad and a contact number. I've set up myself as the main contact, so if I press this button, if I press these options from the list, will actually ring my mobile phone number. Data, workout records, heart rate, sleep, blood pressure, blood oxygens, messages. So that's pretty much her message, connecting to her WhatsApp message, music, breath training, stopwatch, timer, alarm clock, find phone. This is quite handy. Let's press the find phone. Okay, that's handy. And this is the setting. So menu style, we have style 1, 2, 3. So let's see what's style 2. Okay, that's interesting. Choose style 3. Okay. Okay. I think I like this style. And if I scroll up, we'll have a shortcut. I think this is to find phone again. This is setting. This one is for brightness. Keep it standard. Do not disturb. Okay, maybe not this time. I think this one is for the Bluetooth speaker. This is on. And I found that it's a bit annoying. The screen turned off so quickly. Let's see if I can set from this one, the screen time. Okay, 5 seconds, probably a bit fast. So I'll set it to 8 seconds. That's fine. Let's go back to the main menu. What else do I have? If I scroll down, it will show the messages, the WhatsApp messages. If I scroll to the left, another shortcut with the weather. And if I scroll to the right, it will show the step and the calorie. Okay, I think that's it for the quick intro of the smartwatch. In my opinion, I personally like this smartwatch. In a few days, I'll put in a comment whether she likes this smartwatch or not. So I think that's it for my video today. And until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.